into a family of love and care. His mummy treats him like a gift from heaven. His daddy shows him how to style his hair. A few years later it's a cold December, and daddy needs to buy some milk and juice. Dad, I want a Twix please, if you remember. The final words wasted, if he only knew that dad was running off with the cleaner. She wasn't even fit, you should have seen her. If she had big tits and no moustache at worst, dad would have never ran away, cause I'd have backed her first. Dad was running off with a refugee before his son had even learned his ABC, before his son had even learned to climb a tree. And in case you hadn't noticed, Dad, that baby was me. Daddy, I'll never see you. Daddy, you'll never see me too. Daddy, you miss my birthday, and I miss you every Father's Day. Daddy, I want to see you. Daddy, do you want to see me too? Daddy, are you okay? So I guess this is stuff for Father's Day. I wonder if you even got my Twix. You probably gave it to your Spanish bitch and then kids. Sorry if you think I'm being racist, but I don't want my Twix in their Spanish faces. Dad, just wondering if you've ever felt someone else rip your heart out, put it in the fire just to watch it melt. That's how I feel, I hope you come back, so I don't suffer from another snack attack. Cause Dad, when it feels like your heart stopped beating, some people turn to comfort eating. I can laugh now that I'm fine, but I was cramming pork pies into my mouth 5 at a time. Cheese strings and chicken wings, KFC and Burger King's, onion rings, I was eating all them things. I had to go on Jerry Springer, cause I was trying to eat my sausage fingers. Daddy, I'll never see you. Daddy, you'll never see me too. Daddy, you miss my birthday, and I miss you every Father's Day. Daddy, I want to see you. Daddy, do you want to see me too? Daddy, are you okay? So I guess this is stuff for Father's Day.
You guys ever been to Lost Creek? Now let's get these people back to town, and let's hit the road. Go find Dad. I mean, why are we still even here?